Hi, today QDC is addressing one of the most common problems for business owners in the dry cleaning world: control over their pricing. Managing pricing at the store level can be challenging, especially when the staff have the flexibility to modify garment prices during the order creation. Even a small price reduction across orders can lead to significant revenue leakage over time. To solve this, QDC has introduced a pilferage control capability that gives business owners tighter control over pricing, which ensures pricing remains consistent, controlled, and protected without affecting operational flexibility. Staff will not be able to decrease the garment price but can still increase the price when required. This prevents unnecessary discounts to the known or the preferred customers, and most importantly, it eliminates revenue leakage at the staff level. Now, this gives you greater visibility and pricing decisions are controlled by you. So now let's just see how we can use it, how you as a business owner can enable this capability to work for your business. You just have to log into your super admin and find the admin panel. In the admin navigation, you'll have to go to users and permissions. Under user and permission, I will have multiple users listed. I want to select the user for which I want to enable this capability. I'll open the user. I'll see view and edit permissions over here. Click on it and you have to scroll down to find extra permissions, pilferage control here. And scroll further down at the bottom, you'll find a checkbox for allow users to increase the price only during order creation. Price decrease not allowed. I'll check this, update, and I'll save. Now let's create an order. Let's log into the store. I'll reload this screen. Let's create one order to show you how this functionality actually works. I'll create a dry cleaning order. I'll select one garment which is priced at 60.5. Now let's try to reduce the price to 50. It shows a clear comment: you do not have rights to decrease the price. So a user cannot make an order by decreasing the price. Let's say I want to increase the price now to 70. Garment added successfully and order is created with price increased. So this was the QDC super admin for you, making you the brain behind your business. Thank you.